I can train for my action, and I can train now. Okay, now time for body train. We're actually not gonna body train. Why? We're going to kill the bad guy, remember? Oh yeah, we're gonna do that. Okay, now what's gonna happen? You're gonna get sucked up there. Well, I don't even know how, but it's gonna be sucked up, right? Yeah, you're gonna be sucked up. Oh! Okay, now that one. I didn't even know that was coming! Whoa! I thought he was here, but he's not. Oh well, I'll have to go. Ow! I don't know how I got here, but somehow I did. Okay, now I'm gonna go up these stairs, whatever they lead to. The bad guy! Yay! I found the bad guy! I'm a bad guy! Now get out of my way! We ran up to fight with you. Now this is not what I say, Hotshot. I will destroy all mutants! Whee! Well, actually not, but yeah. Now what's your meat? Now what do I do? I can capture you. Uh-oh. No, not there. And that's the end. Now let's do this thing. We did it. Now do you want to train? Yeah. Ooh. Now that's not action at all. Hey. No, that's not action. It's poop. Ow. Instead, I'm going to sit and lay on you.